Friends, we're gonna make a pop-up heart today. So you can see this heart on the card and we're gonna make it pop up. How are we gonna do that? Look, Roshan is putting 2 strips of paper. He's gluing them together right here. One is red and one is yellow. Oh, okay, so now the yellow one goes across the red. And then the red one goes across the yellow. Okay, then we're gonna put a little bit of glue, but can you show this before we even glue this? So we would glue the end right here and on top.
And it's gonna pop up. Ah!
Like a little spring. Can you attach the heart to the glue? Probably towards the middle would be useful. Can you put it towards the middle of the heart? There. Okay. Now we're attaching the heart to the back of the card, or the spring to the back of the card. Pop! You can see underneath. Pop, pop. And there is a pop-up heart. Heart surprise!